So let's start on part 4. We just finished the repulsed monkey 3 times coming back. Now, we are here, and we're going to repulse monkey stepping back. 1, 2, and 3. Drop both hands down to the left. Put down across and out. Turn forward and down. Let's do that again. Okay, so once again, just so we get this straight, let's go into a repulsed monkey position. Step back left, push forward right. Step back right, push forward left. Step back left, push forward right. Drop your hands down, go over, take it across. Roll your left shoulder in this time, and down. This is similar to what we did before. Turn. 1, 2, and hit. Now we're going to bring a new motion in here. It's called needle to the bottom of the sea. We're going to take it right down. Okay, a lot of information. Let's start again. Okay, so we've done, let's go back to repulse monkey. It's probably a good place to start. Okay. Back. 1, 2, 3. Drop to the left. Cross. Take it out. Roll the left shoulder in. Down. Cross. This is repeating what we did previously. Cross right, cross left, and hit. Except this time, bring the arm back, take it down. We'll come up, and then we're going to strike out open hand. Protecting our face, but hitting out with a hand here. Okay, let's do that again. So, bring down to the side, we've done repulse monkey, cross over, take it out. Roll the left shoulder in, take it down, open, turn, cross right, cross left, sweep the left knee, hit with the right. Come back, take it down, needle to the bottom of the sea. Strike out. Now make a fist with your right hand and hit over. Good. Let's do it again. Let's do it all the way back from repulse monkey. Step back here, step back left. 1, 2, 3. Move it in. Cross over. Roll your left shoulder in. Drop your center of gravity. Open. Turn. Right, left, sweep the knee. Hitting out. Come back. Needle to the bottom of the sea. Come up. Hitting out. Over, and then pull in. Now, on this one, when we start this, we got a fist on one side, this open hand. We're going to take our palms around in a circle, and then go forward. So we hit out here, and we come in. Palms around, step forward left, grasping bird's tail, forward. Try it again. Here. So, near the bottom of the sea, out, over, come in, circle around, grasping bird's tail. Now, go back. So this is just a repetition of the move we did earlier. Forward. Face forward. Bend your knees, down, and across. Come up. This is single whip, and we're going to take it out, straight out. So again, make sure this isn't straight, this is bent, this up, and you're hitting the side of the palm here. Take it out. So, here we are. Kneel to the bottom of the C. Take it out. Hit. Come back. Circle. Hold. Go back. Take it over. Good. Lower your stance. Back. And out. Okay, now, just to go a little bit farther back. So here we are in terms of this position, part 2. We open. We turn. 1, 2. Get out. Come back. Take it out. 1, 2, 3. Pull down. Side. Out. Kick. Hit. Pull in. Push out. Left arm comes down. Cross. Take it over. Turn your waist. Sweeping, brushing the knee, hitting out. Grab the arm, pull it around. Fist under the left elbow. Step back. Repulse monkey 1. Repulse monkey 2. Repulse monkey 3. Come in. Turn. Roll left shoulder. Down. Open. Come up. Cross. Hit. Come in. Needle to the bottom of the C. Come up. Step forward. Get out. Strike back with your fist. Come in. Turn. And hit. Grasping bird's tail. Pull back. Push out. Chest height towards the solar plexus. Drop your knees across. Drop. Good. It's a lot of material. You're going to have to rewind it and play it several times over.